name is Neal Hogue with Hogue Incorporated. I'm third generation in the business. My grandfather started the company in 1968, and very fortunate to work the business with my father Aaron Hogue, my uncle Patrick Hogue, and my partner Jim Bruins. So we started manufacturing our knives about 6 years ago, and have come up with several new designs. We've got a lot of new automatics this year, very interesting button lock mechanism, and flipper variations. So this is one of our automatics. This is an aluminum A04. This has a double hollow ground upswept blade, and with the aluminum frame you get a tip up and tip down configuration with the clip. So this mechanism is very stout. It's our true spring design that'll give you over 10,000 cycles. Very positive operation. Blade always returns against the stop pin well. This will give you a price point knife, map price at about $195. Retails $229.95. So on this particular knife, there it has the button plunge lock design, large 5/16 diameter. We've got a 1/4-inch pivot pin with the custom design hardware, and a large 156 diameter stop pin. All of our automatic knives have a safety in the closed position as well as in the open position. So that basically makes that knife a fixed blade.
And one of them has the...
So this model here, this is our G10 frame with the black finish on the blade. Inside the G10 are stainless steel bolster plates. These are all CNC machined and inserted into the G10 frames. So that stainless steel bolster plate encompasses the pivot pin, the button lock, and the stop pin to give it the strong, robust lockup. This again has our true spring design. That spring's guaranteed to cycle over 10,000 times. These are all US made materials, all manufactured in the Hogue facilities.
Do you have a metal ring around that button?
We do. That metal ring around the button is actually part of the bolster plates. So that gives it the smooth surface for the button to operate on, as well as the strong integrity. You can see on the back side here, it is a steel pocket that the button and the spring are in, and that's incorporated into the bolster plate as well.
All right, great stuff.